Mommy, I have a joke for you.
Okay, what's your joke?
So, what do you call a room with no doors?
A room with no doors. Dungeon.
No.
No?
There is a door to get out of it.
Oh,
For you to
really?
go arrested.
Oh, garage.
But it only has a lock.
Garage.
No.
Yeah. There's a.
There's one way to open it.
Okay,
two.
okay. Then tell me the answer.
Mushroom.
Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking Beautifully. What are you cooking today? Today is Mother's Day and I have my daughter Amber here with me. Hi Amber.
Hi, Mama.
Look at your shirt, a lot of delicious sushi. What's your favorite sushi to eat?
Inarizushi.
Inarizushi, should we make some together?
Yes.
So here we have some rice, we have some inarizushi skin, shredded carrot, shiitake mushroom, Japanese shiso leaf, ikura, salmon roll, sugar, soy sauce, mirin, sake. Alright, Amber, do you want to help Mommy to make the sauce?
Yeah.
Wonderful. So first, you want to add some sake here in the bowl. Good work. And some mirin. Thank you.
What about that?
Beautiful. Soy sauce, yes.
Nice and dark.
Yeah, nice and dark. And some sugar?
All of it?
Yeah, all of them. Beautiful.
And can I stir?
Yeah, just whisk.
Stir.
Wow, Amber, you are doing a great work. I think we are all set with the sauce. Should we go cook?
Yeah, that sounds fun.
So here I have some tips for shiitake mushroom. You may have seen dry shiitake mushroom, fresh shiitake mushroom in supermarket and wonder which one is better to buy. Personally, I like dry shiitake mushroom because I can get a humongous bag from Chinatown or Amazon and that will sit in my pantry for a long time. Another thing is those dry shiitake mushroom, they are packed of umami. The aroma is just really amazing. You do need to pay attention to time management because it takes at least 2 hours for you to soak the shiitake mushroom. Usually what I do is I will soak the shiitake mushroom in water and don't throw away of the juice because you can use them to make broth or add it to your sushi. And what I do is after soaking this for 2 hours, I will take it out and I just squeeze all the juice out. And now I'm going to show you how to julienne them. Here you see the stem. You do want to get rid of the stem of your shiitake mushroom. So you just want to cut off this and then set it aside. And then julienne it like this. So now we have everything ready. We have our shiitake mushroom, shredded carrot, and sauce. We just need to get the stir fry ready. What you want to do is you want to add the oil and wait until the oil gets really hot. What you're looking for is the sizzling sound when you add your shiitake mushroom. Just stir, and then add some carrot. More stir. And then add your sauce. Then it's all set. Now I have my shiitake mushroom and carrot ready. All I have to do is to add this to my rice. And then stir. Amber, while Mommy is stirring, can you stem some carrot for me?
Yes, Mama.
Thank you. We're going to use them to decorate our inarizushi. And our inarizushi will look so colorful. Now the rice is ready, we can make our inarizushi. The first thing you want to do is you are going to gently pick up one of the inarizushi. And you want to be very careful because those tofu skin are very fragile. You don't want to break them. And you just want to open it like this. And you always want to make sure you have some spoon with you. And just get good amount of rice in your tofu pouch. like this. And then just use a spoon, kind of pat it down. And then fold it like this. Then your Inarizushi is ready. Amber, the Inarizushi is ready. Do you want to try it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it. What do you think?
Yummy.
Delicious?
Best sushi ever.
This is a very easy recipe for you to replicate at home. You should try this on Mother's Day or anytime you want. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for choosing Cooking Beautifully, where memories are made.